They say the pyramids were built by manpower, but what if it was frequency? Modern labs can levitate droplets with standing waves. The physics is real, the scale is the mystery. Imagine the ancients, quartz stone, tuned resonance, using sound not to honor the dead, but to move the living rock itself. India spoke of Vimanas, enchanting stones. Peru's walls at Sacsayhuaman, set by the power of the gods. On Easter Island, the Moai were said to walk. Different continents, same echo. Maybe the ancients didn't defy gravity, they knew how to use to it.